Hello, my name is Gloria Gaynor. As a recording artist, my busy touring schedule takes me to concert venues around the world. When a problem with my knees threatened to sideline my career, I knew I needed the services of a world-class orthopedic surgeon. That's when I met Dr. Richard Boyardo, Chief of Orthopedic Surgery at St. Michael's Medical Center in Newark, New Jersey. Dr. Boyardo and his team are working to expand St. Michael's state-of-the-art orthopedic program into a regional destination for joint replacement and orthopedic care. At the New Jersey Orthopedic Hospital at St. Michael's Medical Center, patients will benefit from the finest and most innovative care available. I performed more than 100 concerts this year and I'm still going strong. But don't take my word for it. Let's meet some of the others who have benefited from the top quality orthopedic services offered at St. Michael's Medical Center.
I used to dance all night long. You know, hang out, go to after-hour clubs, and I love to dance because I'm very active. I was born on August 17, 1935. You know, I feel good, and as long as I feel good, I still want to continue to be active.
Journey Newsom, great Newark story, a true Newark tale. Basically a guy who was a very talented dancer because of progressive degenerative arthritis of the hip, could barely walk, much less dance. Presented to us with a severe problem with the hip.
I woke up one morning and I was double over in pain. I couldn't walk. And I didn't know what it was, so I went to my primary doctor. He directed me to Dr. Bardo. That's the best thing he could have ever done. I said, I'm in excruciating pain. He said, walk. He said, can you walk here to me? Take a step. I put the cane down. I couldn't move. He said, all right, I'll take care of it. He said, it's all about you. So I went in the hospital on the 7th. That's when they operated on me. Without this center, this is God sent. It's a blessing to have you come here and open your arms to all the people. I don't care, you could be blue, black, green, gray, what have you not. You're here to help people.
Our quality of care is very, very good and our technique is highly sophisticated. We could easily have landed in New York City or in a rich suburb and just limited our patient practice to cash-only patients and enjoyed the country club on Friday afternoon. That's not Catholic Healthy's philosophy. That's not the mission of St. Michael's, nor is it my personal mission. I think it's a privilege to develop a multi-specialty orthopedic center of excellence with access to care for the citizens of Newark. I think that's very, very important.
You would have to experience this yourself to know what I'm talking about, to be able to function as a normal human being. It's wonderful, it's great.
Did the total hip replacement, just saw him back last month, back to doing what he needs to do, ambulating well, and soon to return to dance.
Whatever is being played at the time, you know, that's I can dance to the music. As that song says, I can dance to the music. I just love to dance.
My name is Kevin Cawley. I grew up in Newark, New Jersey. I grew up in the projects of Newark, New Jersey, Bradley Court, and the Vailsburg section.
Kevin Cawley, great story, a Rocky type of story. Basically a boxing champion, fallen on hard times.
I think I had about 35 amateur fights. I was 35, 5-1. I ended up winning the Golden Gloves. I finished a big job here in Newark, and I knew I would have a couple months off after that, and I decided this knee was killing me all the time, you know, and the name that kept popping up was Dr. Boyardo. Everybody, I have heard of Dr. Boyardo before I ever thought about getting my knee done. He took x-rays and everything, and he suggested that I go to therapy. So, you know, against his advice, I went out and I found somebody else, and they did my knee, hospital in Jersey City. I went home. One night I woke up in the middle of the night with a fever, 104 fever. My knee was the size of a basketball. and the pain was excruciating.
Unfortunately, he had an initial knee replacement that was infected, had I think 5 or 6 subsequent procedures, both in hospitals in Newark and Jersey City. When Kevin got to me, he was about 5 minutes away from an amputation.
Dr. Boyardo walks in the room. Now this is where I started out, going to Dr. Boyardo asking for his help. And I'll tell you, at this point, when I saw him, it's kind of corny, you know, it's kind of corny, but, you know, with his silver hair and everything, he looked like a friggin' angel walked in the room. You know what I mean? Because here, I'm finally looking at somebody that I believe might be able to help me.
After 2 additional procedures, we were able to successfully implant a complex knee design into that knee. So now, fortunately, and God is good, he has a stable, painless range of motion and he's walking. He's a terrific guy and a true Rocky Balboa story. Kevin's a great Hudson County, Essex County kind of guy who we were very, very pleased to have offered him another chance to walk.
When we left the hospital, we had the walker in the trunk of the car, and I said, leave it there. It was just because I wanted them to see me walk up the steps. And my daughter said, you go, Dad. There's really nothing I could do or say that can truly express the way I feel about these guys stepping in and saving my life, you know. Like I said, you know, I never got, not too many people ever helped me out like that.
The ability to give back to the citizens of Newark through St. Michael's, through CHE at this point in time is very, very rewarding personally. To be able to unite with the other excellent doctors on the medical staff here at St. Michael's, with Mr. Evans and the management team, with Mayor Booker, Councilman Amador, Councilman Ramos, and the rest of the very talented City Council, Councilman Rice. To be able to unite in this situation, to give back to this great city that has given so much to me is very, very exciting and rewarding. And we see nothing but great things for the city of Newark, and particularly the delivery of health care through CHE St. Michael's to the citizens of Newark is a very exciting prospect in the future.
Well, my name is Michael McGraw, and I've been an actor professionally for 35 years now. I've worked on Broadway consistently in the last 15 years. I've done 11 Broadway shows, and this is my 11th, Memphis, here at the Shubert Theater.
Michael McGraw, supremely talented guy, great dancer, true Broadway star. Basically had an injury in Spamalot, blew out his knee.
I played the role of Patsy in that, and that was a very, very physical role that I had in that. I carried around a pack that weighed 26 pounds, 8 shows a week, and danced with it on and pratfalls and such. One night during my number, I actually blew out my knee and had to seek orthopedic care to fix it up and get back on stage.
We were able to modestly get him back on the boards after his knee surgery. Great guy. I strongly recommend that you go see him and a great ensemble cast in Memphis, which is currently on Broadway now. And that's the great part of our practice and the great part of the mission of St. Michael's. We take the elite athlete, the elite dancer, the elite star, and also we take the gentleman on the street who's a little bit downtrodden, who otherwise wouldn't have access to quality care.
I think St. Michael's is affording that opportunity to people in the community, in the Newark area, and the greater Newark area. I think they can look to St. Michael's as a safe haven, as someplace they can go without feeling they'll be turned away, feeling they'll be accepted.
It's a true reflection of the mission of St. Michael's, and I think it's what differentiates Catholic Health East from the from the rest of what's happening in healthcare today. It's not just the dollars and cents accounting in this particular healthcare system, and that's why I'm here. It's truly about people like Michael McGraw and Journey Newsom and Kevin Cawley. It's really what completes me professionally. I'm very proud and privileged to be here.
These are just a few of the many inspiring stories that demonstrate St. Michael's commitment to the community it serves. The New Jersey Orthopedic Hospital at St. Michael's Medical Center will address a vital need in Newark and the surrounding areas. But your involvement is needed to bring this nonprofit program to life. Please contact us today to learn how your support can give renewed freedom of movement to those who need it most.